Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to delete your account in Temu. So let's get started. First, open Temu app on your mobile device. Then you'll see 4 options at the bottom of your screen. Go ahead and tap on View. Then go ahead and tap on the settings icon next to your profile. Here you'll see many options. Go ahead and tap on Account Security. There you'll see an option called Delete your Temu account. Go ahead and tap on it. Then tap on I want to permanently delete my Temu account. Go ahead and tap on Continue. Then select your main reasons for deleting your account. Then Temu will ask you to verify. After the verification is complete, tap on Confirm. And now you have successfully deleted your Temu account. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys next time.